lot of people don't value nearly enough how important a good product experience is from the moment you receive the product. I just got a very small, very simple product, wall mounts here from Echogear. I had never heard of this brand until I went on Amazon looking for it, and found this product, and it was priced right, and it appeared to be people that are proud of their product. So I knew that this high five thing was part of the shtick from the product listing on Amazon, but it's very well integrated into the brand when you receive the product. And as soon as I opened it, I decided I would close it and come back and do a quick video on the smartness of their branding, even in simple cardboard box. So they promote their videos. I love it. Happy little product videos, super cute. And then something that America sucks way too much about, that we don't do nearly enough in this country, but other countries tend to do. And that is artwork and interest on the inside of packages. We somehow decided a long time ago in our capitalist-focused market that we would just slap it in a box, who cares what it looks like, and a lot of Asian markets have been way ahead of us on that for a long time. So this is really cool, great artwork. It's part of the brand artwork that they already utilize. So I haven't gotten past this point, so we're gonna go ahead and just unbox the sucker and see what else they have as I clumsily with one hand work my way into this. So inside, they haven't blown a whole bunch of money on, bullcrap inserts. It's a basic plastic insert, and there wasn't really any need to. But right here, boom, great copy. Did we just become best friends? I mean, this is good stuff. This is well written, good stuff. And I haven't even looked this company up. I don't know if they're America-based. I don't know anything. I just know that this is a great experience happening. And their copy is great, and that's what matters. I mean, they sure do look like they care. They're utilizing hashtags. They're really doing a good job establishing who they are. And here we go. This is where they are. So they're getting it in multiple continents. They're on top of their game. Good looking instructions and good looking product. So kudos to Echogear for a good, affordable product offering, but with the idea of actually understanding what the hell they're doing in packaging, marketing, messaging, etc. Take heed. This is how it should be done at a very basic level. Not a lot of work. All it takes is a few creatives and somebody with the will and understanding of the importance of it to pay them. And ta-da, there you go. So high five to Echogear.